Okay folks, now that we've updated our progress sheets, let's actually engage with the feedback. First thing I want you to do is write homework action in the 15 lines of space that you left, please. Just like you'd normally put homework HW or classwork CW, you're going to indicate this as homework action. And the action that I want you to take is you're going to answer the short questions that I've set for you in the EBI part of your feedback. And we're going to do this in two phases. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to think of it on yourself, so we're going to work in silence at that point. And following that 3 minutes expiry, I'll give you a further 3, in which case you can then ask your buddy in order to answer the questions that I have set within your EBI. Okay, Faraz, what have I asked you?
Well, basically we have to, after our homework, we had to read our even better if comments, and there's a question there and we have to answer the question for reflection.
Okay, so with reference to your question here, I've given you something that's a bit different because you actually scored quite highly, 8 out of 10. Why do you think I've asked you this question?
Because I think my explanation in question 2 was quite short, and that I need to make it longer to get full marks.
Okay, now that you've finished off your questions within your EBI, what I want you to do now in groups is address this, because this was an issue really amongst everyone in the room. What does AO2 mean? Because I've used it a lot and I've not put it in anyone's book. I've not explained what it is to anyone's book because I wanted you to try and figure it out amongst you. So you'll need to look at each other's books to try and figure out where it does appear and where I have expressly said it does not appear. Once you have an understanding of what it is, I'd then like to know what it looks like in an answer, please. Okay, so you've had a bit of time now to think about what AO2 means. Who's going to give me a response? Tom, what do you think AO2, what's your group come up with?
That you have to explain application.
Application, okay, so application to what, everyone? Application, that's Joseph. Application to who? Levi Root. So that was the case study I gave you. Okay, so we know the context that we're looking to apply it to, but what would it look like in an answer? Matt, what would it look like in an answer?
You need like relevant information.
Okay, any sort of information in particular?
Figures.
Okay, yeah, good stuff. So statistics would certainly stand out as application and response. And what else could we use, Sonny?
Quote.
Quotes, yeah. Okay, well, directly from the case?
Yeah.
Absolutely, good stuff. So we could quote from the case.